Today we are installing a slightly different specification of Liquid Screed. We are using a calcium sulfate binder and it's an Anhydrite Rapide. You may have heard me mention the Anhydrite low latents. However, the Rapide binder cures much quicker and also you don't need to remove the latents. The reason this type of screed is more thermally efficient is because we can lay it much thinner, and also the specification of binder makes it much more thermally conductive. Not to mention that this calcium sulfate binder is a renewable source, creating a much more eco-friendly install. We're at our limit here for the length of hose that we can pump this product, so it's 70 meters. 70 meters from our pump, we will distribute 15 meter cube of Anhydrite Liquid Screed into the ground and the first floor of this property. Using our experience, these tripods, and a perfectly calibrated laser, we will create a seamlessly flat finish throughout the entirety of this building. I honestly think that the days of cementitious Liquid Screed are numbered when you can supply and install an Anhydrite eco-friendly calcium sulfate binder for nearly the same price, and you do not need to remove the latents, and also you get the higher conductivity of the underfloor heating system. I believe it's a complete no-brainer.
How much is left in the lorry, please, John?
We're looking at about 1.2 cube, mate, until we are out.
We're done up here.
If you are searching for a professional liquid screeding company within Oxfordshire and surrounding counties, then please do not hesitate to contact our office team today.